Hey everybody, my name is Dr. Adam Bunder and I'm one of the co-founders of Regenerative Treatment Centers here in Leawood, and I would love to give you a quick tour of our facility so that you can really see who we are even before you walk in our doors. So follow me. I'd love to share a little about who we are. Our mission really is about helping our patients to live the life that they truly deserve, and not just the life that they deserve, but the life that they desire, where you can come and you can actually feel at home, that you can feel at ease, not coming into a sterile medical facility, but one of comfort and one that actually has feeling. And so our clinic was designed to actually bring that type of comfort and that type of feeling specifically to you so that you can actually feel at home. Right over here we have a coffee bar on one side. We have a nice place for you to be able to rest in the reception area. Obviously our front desk here. Our clinic, I feel, is beautifully designed to create an aesthetic where you can actually feel comfortable when you come in. I'd love to take you on a tour here. We're going to go down a couple hallways to some of our procedure rooms. One of our procedure rooms at the very end of the hall here is made specifically for a lot of our aesthetic procedures. So if we're doing microneedling, if we're doing hair restoration, this is typically the room that you're going to be in. It's a nice, clean, sterile environment, and so we love to allow you to be able to relax. The other room that we have is just down the hallway over here, and this is where a lot of our other medical procedures happen. So osteoarthritic joint injections from shoulders, knees, ankles, hips, even our sexual rejuvenation, so the P-shot and the O-shot. A lot of that's going to be done in here. Specifically, we have an ultrasound unit that helps us to have better guidance when we're doing some of these procedures, because we want to make sure that you are actually getting the greatest results possible. As we go down the hallway over here, there's a couple rooms that I really want to share with you. Number one is our consultation room. The consultation room is very comfortable, it's very inviting. That's where you'll be sitting down with our provider to actually discuss really what your underlying issues are, so we can get to the root cause as to why you're actually coming in here, and ultimately to see if this is something, any type of regenerative procedure that we offer could be beneficial for you. We don't know that until we actually have you come in. The next room that we have is our processing room. Now, this is the one I actually get really excited about because I kind of say it's where the magic happens. It's where we're actually drawing labs if we need to run labs. This is where we can actually are creating the medical grade ozone for some of the therapies that we do. Our PRP unit, we have our vent hood right here. Very rare for a lot of clinics to have something like this. It's actually there so that we can have a very clean, sterile environment whenever we're preparing our IV therapies, our stem cells, our exosomes, whatever procedure process we need. We want to make sure that's a very clean and sterile environment. The other really cool thing that I like to share, if you come over here, is down here. This is the cryo freezer, and the cryo freezer is really, really cool because it is held at actually negative 80 degrees Celsius. So we can actually see that our stem cells, our exosomes, and things like that are actually held in this cryopreserved area until they're actually needed for your treatment. All right, the last room that I want to share with you is kind of the most pivotal room. And I say that because this is the room where you actually get to rest, relax, and kind of go to that quiet place. Most of us are going day to day, just pushing and pushing and pushing through. This is the room where we have our chairs that are lined up. You get to lay back, you get to close your eyes. We're going to give you those vitamin nutrients that you want. And this is that moment where you get to have just to yourself. And so we're really excited that you shared this tour with us. Thank you for sticking with us through this. Hopefully this brought you some better understanding of our clinic and really what it looks like. If you'd like more information, please give us a call at 913-951-5900. We look forward to serving you and helping you live that life that you truly deserve.